Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker here at qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I'm showing you today a 2-bed 1-bath apartment on Jardin or Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. What I'm just showing and what I'm viewing is the garden, the pool, surrounded by the dwellings of Garden 11 here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. This is our virtual open house today for a 2-bed, 2-bathroom property located at Condado de Alhama, and slowly the resort is now filling up with tourists from all over the world enjoying the sunshine, the climate, the people and the resort here on Condado de Alhama. As we said, we are showing today a 2-bed 1-bath apartment which is fully equipped and fitted and kitted and ready to move in. I've been just sitting here at the small terrace in front of the main entrance to the apartment, and I just walk in now and show you, together with my mirror here, the apartment from the inside. Welcome to all new viewers. We are on a virtual open house today, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are on Garden 11 in the apartment J1244, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are just in the living room area, which is fitted with 2 sofa lounges, with a double sofa and television and all side furnishing as well. In the living room as well, we have integrated the kitchen, which you just can see here, and as well the dining area. All rooms are equipped with air conditioning, hot and cold, and the kitchen as well is equipped with fridge freezer, oven hob extractor fan, and as well washing machine. Here we go. It's quite a compact and easy to clean kitchen and provides all the space necessary up to 4 people. As we said, we are in a 2-bed 1-bath apartment today at Garden 11 J1244. You find all details of this property on our webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com and its reference 2820. We're just passing the hall and come to the master bedroom, which is also fully equipped and kitted, and as we said, all rooms are as well fitted with wardrobes and air conditioning, which makes my life today pretty pleasant. As it's 32 degrees outside, we enjoy the full function of the air conditioning units. Here we go, now with the second bedroom. We are again on a virtual open house viewing today, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia, some 20 minutes away from the closest beach. When you want to look it up, the beach is called Bol Nuevo, close to Mazaron port. We are in the second bedroom now of this wonderful 2-bed 1-bath apartment. As we said, all rooms are fitted and kitted with air conditioning, as well as fully furnished and fitted wardrobes. You might ask, well, what's in the fitted wardrobe? How does it look like? Well, let me just show you how this looks like. There we go. We have a set of drawers, rail and storage above. Both bedrooms are fitted and kitted with furnishing, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning, and obviously all lights, bedside table, whatever. The apartment as well is fitted with a Wi-Fi 10 megabyte internet connection, which soon will be improved to a 100 megabit per second connection within the next 6 weeks. I'm showing you now the bathroom with bathtub, hand wash basin, as well as bidet. Here we go again. We have the second bedroom opposite, the master bedroom on this side. The property is sold as seen, with all items you can see now on our virtual viewing, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I would be happy to see you once here on the resort to view some property with Quality Homes Costa Calida. We are back into the kitchen, which, as you can see, is fully fitted, fully kitted with fridge freezer, oven hob, extractor fan and washing machine. The living kitchen area is and provides enough space for up to 4 people staying in this apartment on Garden 11. It's number 1244. The orientation of this apartment is rather morning sun, so this means that in the afternoon you enjoy the cool terrace in front of your property. And I will just show you again the views, which are just breathtaking. There we go. What we see now is the community pool of Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama, in Spanish obviously Jardin 11 or Jardin 11. And you also see the ample grassed area, the playground, here on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. The resort is slowly filling up with guests from all over the world. I think it's just inviting to jump into the pool. It's still siesta time in this area, so soon the pool will be packed again with people. Apart from the small terrace we have in front of the property, there's as well a roof solarium, and I hope my connection is strong enough today, so I will show you now quickly the roof terrace. We just need to walk up the steps here. And here we are on the roof terrace. The roof terrace is the same size as the apartment, so we're talking about we're talking about around 55 square meters for the terrace, which provides some pylon. It's very windy today, so I will quickly walk again. And we walk again into a beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath apartment on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We just went into the living room again, so let me show you again the equipment of this property. All rooms are fitted with air conditioning, and the bedrooms are fitted as well with built-in wardrobes. The property is sold as seen at an asking price of €66,000, and on our webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com you will find it under the reference 2820, where you will find as well many other interesting offers on the resort and in other golf resorts in the region of Murcia. We are based on the commercial center here on site. The commercial center is called Kasar, where you will find supermarket, shops, hairdresser, bars, restaurants, and even an estate agent, which is us, qualityhomescostacalida.com, the only licensed and registered agent on site. We are proud part of the College of Estate Agents of Murcia. You can always look us up also on coapimurcia.es, where you will find more information about me and about our company. We are on Garden 11 today, apartment 1244, 2-bed, 1-bath, fully fitted, fully furnished, and ready to move in. We have today, well, the temperature is today some 32 degrees in the shade. We enjoy sunshine since the morning, and we expect to hope at least until the end of October. Many people have arrived already on the resort, and locally everybody is obeying the rules regarding the COVID, regarding masks, regarding social distancing, so it's a safe place to be. So far we had no cases on site, and we intend to keep it like that for the near future. Today I'm presenting you a virtual open house for apartment 1244 on Garden 11, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are based on the Kasar commercial center here on site, and you find our offices just walking through the commercial center, leaving the Spa supermarket on the left-hand side, in the left-hand corner beside the restaurant Sofia. This is the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bath apartment J1244. The asking price for this property has recently been reduced from 69 to 66, and we are pretty sure that soon this property will find the ideal new owner who will be happy and proud to own this fully fitted apartment for just 66,000 euros. For more details, just click on our webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, search for reference 2820, where you will find many more pictures. You will also find a 360 virtual tour about the property, so you can either review this visit or just go on our website where you can find more details, pictures, descriptions. Or just contact us, sending us an email to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and we will be happy to answer all your questions and doubts. In case you have any questions during the viewing, just drop us a note at the bottom of the screen, and me or my team will be happy to answer your inquiry even during the viewing. In case you want me to go back and see something specific again, just drop us a line and I will try my best to fulfill your needs. We are in a 2-bed, 1-bath property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. It's apartment 1244. The asking price is 66,000 euros for the apartment as seen, with all furnishing items and what we see in the picture. I just want to show you again on the outside the views onto the garden and the community pool. Might be a little bit windy, so I hope the sound is okay with you. Here we go with the community pool. Our friendly neighbors have and there we go again. Just see the community pool, the community gardens. There's still not many people out because it's 5 o'clock, it's still siesta time in Spain, so people will soon come out again of their houses. We see now the playground here. Each garden on site enjoys a playground, and most of the gardens as well enjoy a community pool. All pools are actually open, and the community is following a strict COVID protocol to make sure that everybody is safe during their holiday on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia. On the southeast coast of Spain, we are some 20 minutes away from the nearest beach, which is Nuevo. We are about 35 minutes away from Murcia capital and about 45 minutes away from Cartagena. The closest airports to Condado de Alhama are either Corvera International Airport or Alicante. The first one around 35 minutes drive, the second about an hour drive. On site you find many different possibilities for activities, being golf, being paddle, being tennis, being basketball, and even once a week they are doing water aerobics in one of the community pools, which is very well accepted by holidaymakers and residents alike. Today we see a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Garden 11. It's number 1244, and the asking price is only 66,000 euros. You find all necessary details on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, and its reference 2820. I may welcome all viewers to our virtual viewing presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are just having a look at the master bedroom. All bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as well as with air-conditioned hot and cold inverter technology. The apartment is quite light and bright, and I really enjoy doing the viewing today. We are in the second bedroom now, where we can see again all furnishing we see comes included with the property, as well the air conditioning units and as well the fitted wardrobes. And we just left one open for you so you can have a look how they look on the inside. So there are drawers rail for more clothes, and the storage on top of it. The bathroom is as well equipped with all necessary items which you would expect of a bathroom, including bidet and bathtub. Here we go again. It's Rupert again. Hi, from Quality Homes Costa Calida. Obviously always with our mask, so in case something's going wrong, we always have a mask here. As I said before, we have many people already arriving here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and the community and administrator make sure that everybody adheres to the protocols and necessary safety measures regarding the COVID virus pandemic we are suffering at the moment. And you can rest assured that also the community pools, which are all open, also comply with the protocol emitted by the regional government. I show you again the community garden, play area. There we go. It's 32 degrees today and it's quite dry, so slowly, also I'm drying out. So Anna.
Hello.
Hello again. How are you this time? Okay?
How did it go?
Happy days.
Happy days.
Happy days, very good. So, what do you say to this one? 66,000. This looks like a bargain.
This is an absolute bargain. 66 now, reduced from 69. This was reduced shortly before the lockdown, so I guess this is the reason why we're still here.
I reckon, yes,
because this really is one of the nicest apartments I have on my books, I believe. But then again, I'm biased, so. But
There we
yes,
go.
Absolutely, and the vendors will, of course, still listen to any sensible offer.
Okay, so that's the good news of today, that even with the 66,000, you still might look into an offer, as long as it's reasonable, to say. Okay,
Yeah.
so
I see that the pool is getting a little bit busier now. People are starting to come out.
yes,
Your kids are woken up from the siesta. It's getting
we're getting there. Huh?
Okay, no.
Okay, so
So yeah, I think next week there will be time again for a 3-bedroom apartment. I think it's been a while since we had one of them. What
I
do you
think
say?
as well. It's time that we do see again a decent 3-bed ground floor.
3-bed ground floor, something
Yes,
nice. Yeah.
yes, this would be really nice. So
Let's see which one we pick. If we have any owners watching and you want your apartment featured, then why don't you send me a message?
happy days, but please do it before tomorrow 12 o'clock, because that's the break-off time to decide about the new property. Otherwise, we will have again our pick, no?
That's it.
Happy days. Okay, so thank you very much.
What are we going to do now, Rupert?
Well, I'm just showing you now again the community pool. Slowly, we have already 2-3 people in the pool now, and this is now increasing, and you will see in an hour's time the pool will be packed again with people. And then, hold on, I think it's time for a drink.
You think it's time for a drink?
I think it's time for a drink.
Happy days. I've prepared something here for you.
Happy days. So,
Hey guys.
thank you again for viewing today. It was a pleasure to have you here, and see you next time.
Cheers.